You've connected the dots. The persistent brain fog, the chronic fatigue, the unexplained aches. You realize they might not be random. You suspect that an accumulation of heavy metals could be the root cause, and now you're asking the most important question: what can I do about it? In this video, we'll give you a clear, step-by-step beginner's guide to help you start your natural heavy metal detox journey safely and effectively. The first and most critical step in any detox is to minimize the toxins coming in. You can't empty a bathtub while the faucet is still running full blast. Let's start with phase 1, reducing your exposure. First, filter your water. Municipal water can be a source of lead and arsenic. A good reverse osmosis system can remove over 95% of these common heavy metals. Second, choose your food wisely. Opt for organic produce to avoid pesticides and be mindful of large predatory fish that are high in mercury. Third, check your cookware. Avoid nonstick pans and aluminum foil and opt for cast iron, stainless steel, or glass. Fourth, evaluate your personal care products. Switch to natural, non-toxic brands for things like deodorant and cosmetics. Finally, improve your indoor air quality with HEPA air purifiers and by opening your windows daily. Once you've reduced your toxic input, you can focus on helping your body's primary detox organs. This is phase 2, supporting your natural detox pathways. Your diet is your primary tool. Focus on incorporating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, alliums like garlic and onions, and cilantro and parsley. These foods contain powerful compounds that support your liver and help your body produce its master antioxidant, glutathione. Also, be sure to eat plenty of fiber from sources like psyllium husk and flax seeds to bind to toxins in the gut. Lifestyle habits are just as important. Hydration is non-negotiable, so drink plenty of purified water. Sweat it out with regular exercise or infrared sauna sessions. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep, which is when your brain cleanses itself. And practice mindful movement like yoga or rebounding to stimulate your lymphatic system. While diet and lifestyle changes are the foundation, they often aren't enough to deal with a lifetime of accumulated toxins. This is where a dedicated binding agent becomes essential. A binder is a substance that can travel through the body, attract and trap toxins like heavy metals, holding onto them until they are safely escorted out. Without an effective binder, mobilized metals can simply recirculate and make you feel even worse. This is why we recommend a breakthrough formula like Clean Slate, which uses a proprietary form of zeolite clinoptilolite to safely and systemically trap toxins. As you start your journey, avoid these common mistakes. First, don't do aggressive detoxing too soon. Always start with gentle support. Second, don't forget to replenish minerals. The detox process can deplete essential minerals, so it's crucial to replenish them. And third, don't ignore your gut. If you are constipated, you are not detoxing. You are reabsorbing toxins. Ensuring daily bowel movements is a prerequisite for any successful detox protocol. Remember, true detoxification is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by reducing your exposure, then support your natural detox pathways with diet and lifestyle changes. And finally, introduce a binder for advanced support. If you're ready to start your healing journey, the first step is to understand your body's current state. Our free 2-minute quiz can help you assess your potential toxic load and provide clarity on your personal path to healing. Click the link in the description below to take the free toxicity quiz.